Hello, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we've got a huge haul from Rihoas, and I have so many cute little wintry fashionable items. But before I get into the full haul, be sure you take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. I post new videos every single week. And yeah, let's get into some super cute clothes. Alright, so diving right on in. First up, we've got this super cute little checkered dress moment. So this is in a gorgeous like chocolatey brown color, which you know is perfect for fall, for winter, and it's a pretty simple style. So you have this high neck and a more flowy bottom. I will say though, the way that this fits is so flattering in my opinion. So it has some just really nice lines and details that are super flattering and just really add some style and shape to the dress. These also have some fun little bow details that you can tie up on the top, which is just so fun and girly and just add a little bit of pizzazz to the dress in my opinion. I am wearing this one in an extra small and I think the fit is great. I love styling it with a pair of boots. I think that is super cute, and yeah, this is definitely just a great everyday go-to look, and you can also kind of style this as workwear, which is what I love most about Rihoas as a brand. A lot of their items you can easily transition from just regular wear to workwear style, and as somebody who goes into the office a lot and is in need of super cute workwear, this is just a win-win in my opinion. But yeah, super cute, and just kicking off the haul on a fun note. All right, moving right along, we've got a really cute set. So I actually have a couple little sets for you guys, but this is the first one. Here's the skirt. So again, it's in this brown color, and this is actually a little bit thicker of a material and has this really cute design on it. The skirt also does come with pockets. I love a pocket moment in a dress or a skirt. It's just a fun addition. This also does have some belt loops on it as well if you want to belt it and kind of switch up your look. So that's really cute. And then the matching top on this one is so fun. So it's kind of almost like a little blazer moment. Really cute. It has these really nice button details on here. I'll give you guys a close-up of the buttons, and again that same thicker material and pattern. It has a little bit of elbow pads going on, so you know, little fun moment there. But yeah, this is just such a cute little set together. And what I really love about sets is that you can obviously wear them together, but you can also wear them as separate pieces, so you get a lot more bang for your buck in my opinion. But yeah, so this one is super cute. I am wearing both of these, I believe, in an extra small. Yeah, so the bottoms are an extra small and the top is also in an extra small, and I think the fit is great. If you want it more fitted, I would say stay true to size. If you want your top a little more oversized, if you're into a more like oversized blazer look, I would say then go up a size, but otherwise sticking true to size is gonna get you a really nice tailored fit. I love this color. I think it is so pretty, the brown, and yeah, just like a fun little set for winter time and so cute. This skirt just on its own is so fun. Having a cute little pleated skirt moment for the winter, iconic. But yeah, super cute and just another fun little outfit from Rihoas. All right, and then like I said, I do have another set for you guys, and this one is a little bit different, but also kind of the same. So similar to the first set, it does have a cute little top blazer moment. This one is a little bit different though. It has some really fun button details, so I'll give you guys a close-up. Really pretty gold buttons, and again, more of that thicker material on here. Really pretty cherry deep red. This one also has shoulder puffs in the style, so super cute, very girly. It's also really fun. The buttons on this kind of go at a slant, so it gives some funky interest to the top in my opinion, kind of switching it up from just a classic blazer style. And then the skirt on this one is actually a longer skirt style, which I think is really nice to kind of of switch it up in your outfits. So here's the skirt. It is more of an A-line skirt, very flowy, and I feel like this is perfect workwear and just very chic, very elegant, and yeah, it's really easy to transition from workwear to just regular wear. I'm obsessed with the color on this one too. I feel like I'm obsessed with every color, but like specifically this dark red, I think it is so perfect for winter time. It's just a cute style together. So again, because it's a set, you can wear these pieces together, you can wear them separate. And for sizing, I am wearing the skirt in an extra small, and same with the top. It's also in an extra small. I do recommend getting this in more true to size since I feel like the fit on it is really nice and kind of gives a nice shape. So I definitely recommend sticking true to size on these pieces. But yeah, overall, look number 3, a really cute little red wine moment. All right, and then next up, we've got another dress style, and here it is. So this is in a darker gray color. It has that thicker material. It has these really pretty button details as well. So super cute. And this is another dress that is really flattering in my opinion. Just the way that it kind of cinches in and flows out with the pleating on the skirt of it. I think it's really pretty and really flattering. This one does just button up all the way. So that's kind of the mechanism of getting in and out of it, is just purely the functional buttons on it. I love the collar on this one as well. And I feel like this dress just screams winter time in my opinion. Like this is such a beautiful winter style. I think this is really pretty layered over some tights and boots, and you just have this really chic winter outfit. Also, what I love about dresses is it's just one item of clothing and you already have a super cute outfit. You know, you don't have to try too hard to make a cute outfit out of it because it's just a dress and you got a cute look. So yeah, this one is no exception to that rule. I'm wearing this in an extra small, and like I said, the fit is perfect and very flattering with just the style of it in general. But yeah, so our next little dress, very much a big hit for wintertime. All right, I am down to 2 last dresses, and these are kind of on opposite ends of the formal spectrum. So I'm gonna go with the more casual look, and this is probably the most casual piece in this haul. Let me just show you. So this is a really fun sweater dress style, and this kind of has that drop waist style to it. I think that is so fun and just a cool little stylistic element to add some oomph to your classic sweater dress style. So I really like that. And this material is honestly so stinking soft. Like this is such a soft dress. It feels like butter. I don't know how to explain it. It's just a really soft material, really great quality. And yeah, it just makes this dress so comfortable. The top of this one is cute too. It has this oversized collar. So just a lot of fun stylistic elements to this that really enhance the classic sweater dress style and add, again, like a little more oomph to your outfits, make it a little more funky, a little more fun, still being pretty classy and classic at the same time. Color on this is really pretty. It's kind of like a mix between a brown and a red. But yeah, just a really pretty color for winter time. This one I am wearing in a size small, and I think the fit is great. Again, it is a sweater stretchy material, so I believe small was the smallest size in it. I think it fits really well. You could probably get away with multiple sizings in this because it is such like a stretchy material. And yeah, this is super cute style, super comfortable, and just another great addition to your winter wardrobe. All right, and with that being said, this was our most casual dress style, and now moving into the most formal dress style, which I think is a perfect winter event style dress, or like a good wedding dress for the winter months. So it is this beautiful wine red, one shoulder, satin, maxi style dress, and it has this super fun little scarf detail to it, which is so on trend right now and so chic. So I think this is such a beautiful winter time dress, and again, a really flattering style in my opinion. So it has some of this ruching on the sides that kind of emphasizes your waist, and then more flowy on the bottom. So I am wearing this one in a size extra small, and I think the fit is perfect. I really love the one shoulder detail. I think that is so fun and just switches it up a bit, gives a different neckline, and just makes it a little more interesting. Quality on this is amazing. It's this really nice, thick satin, and yeah, just really, really good quality. Looks really good on, and yeah, just a really fun event style dress. And it's not too expensive. I feel like Rihoas has some really good deals and really good price points. I also do have a discount code for you guys, so help you save some money on it. But yeah, this dress is a really great price point for a event style dress and great quality. So like win-win all around. So yeah, overall, beautiful, high quality event style dress. Alright, so that was my full haul from Rihoas. As always, I will link everything I showed you guys in the description down below. Also, I do have a discount code, so if you want to check them out, use my code, save some money. Also, if you enjoyed this style video, little try on haul, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends. Also, leave a comment down below which item was your favorite, which one did you like the best. And if you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe. I really, really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.